What all things do you need?
Oil,
Then,
paint, glitter.
okay. Which is a paint? Where is a paint? Okay, paint in water. Okay, then what is that tablet? Do you know the name? Yeah, Alka-Seltzer tablet. Then,
Toy,
then a toy.
water,
Which is a water? Yeah, water. Then what do you need?
a glass.
A glass jar. Then some glitters are hiding behind here.
No one glitter.
പറഞ്ഞോ അയ്യോ ശരി എന്നാൽ നമുക്ക് തുടങ്ങിയാലോ
Yeah.
Okay. So we need to take the glass jar. Yeah. First we have to pour the oil. Be careful. Yeah. Okay. Then what we have to add into it?
Glitter.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Okay. You're going to add glitter.
Raining glitter.
Which color is it?
Pink.
Okay. Let me add some. Next we are going to add the paint mixed in water. Okay. Are you going to add it? Okay. Okay, I will add.
It's like Play-Doh. Snow, snow. Come on. Okay. Then.
Okay.
Next to the
Next, a little bit of water.
toy today.
Yes. We are going to add the toy. Will it disappear in it?
It is not gonna.
Okay.
Sand. Oh. Pull.
Okay. Now we are going to add the tablet so we can see the snowstorm within it. One more. Next.
Tweezer.
Yes. Yeah, bubbling started. Yeah, you can see the bubble. Yeah. Wow.
Ball can not ball.
Oh, അറിയില്ല നോക്കട്ടെ 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 സ്നോ സ്റ്റോം വരുന്നത്
Then down.
Yo, yo, yo. It's coming up.
And mix it together.
Huh? തൊടരുത് തൊടരുത്
Ooh.
ഇനി ഇട്ട് ഒഴിക്കൊക്കെ വൺ മോർ ടാബ്ലറ്റ്
No, it didn't go. Toy.
ടോയ് അവിടെ മേലെ ഉണ്ട് കേട്ടോ ടോയ് താഴെ പോയില്ല കേട്ടോ അയ്യോ is it coming up അമ്മു
Yeah, I think.
it's bubbling
It's over here now. Oh,
oh
it's all over the toy.
ടോയ് പോയോ
Darling.
താഴെയാണോ you can see the snowstorm yeah so that's a snowstorm
It's coming up.
is it coming up
I don't know. It's already here now.
oh
It's already here, and it'll be here.
okay
It's getting bigger and bigger.
how was today's experiment
Stop
stop though okay how was today's experiment
Good.
good
Let's do it again.
yeah
Not in this one, in this one.
oh
See you tomorrow.
bye bye